Yo, my lovely people. So in today's vlog, I got my family with me. Let me introduce them.
What's up, guys?
So this is my sister Ridwana.
Hi.
This is my brother Fahim, and this is Nadia.
Hi.
Hi guys, so we're on our way. We're just walking up towards Ikea, like you see it right there. Jeez, this car got burnt though.
Look at the banner, guys. Look.
Hi guys, we're now at the supermarket. I'm just thinking what chocolates I should buy them. My brother, what chocolate do you want? Fahim, what chocolate do you think is nice?
I don't know.
What's your favorite chocolate? Nadia, what's your favorite chocolate?
I love Do you know what I like? I like Twix. Okay, guys, I definitely like Twix.
So Nadia's favorite is Lint. Right now we're in Ikea, guys, and I'm still with my family. We're just chilling here. I found this lovely room, by the way. It looks so nice. You guys can check it out. Basically, now we're gonna do like a mini challenge. We're gonna do like the hide and seek challenge with my family. Are you ready, guys? Nadia, are you ready?
Yeah. What about me? Yo.
She's ready as well. She's ready. She wants to do this challenge.
Yeah.
Guys, I have no idea where my little cousins and sister went. And to find them now. This is peak. This is so peak. Are they in here? Oh my days. Are they hiding in here? Are they hiding? Oh my days. I found my little brother. I found you. Come here. Time, help me find the others. Let's go find them. Oh, they're hiding. I found my sister. Where's Nadia? Now we need to look for Nadia. Ridwana, help me.
Come.
Ridwana, help me. Where are they, guys?
Oh, she might be in here. No. Where is she? She might be in the wardrobe. Yeah. Where is she? I saw her hiding.
Where is she at, man?
I saw. Oh, she's on the other side. She might be on the other side. No. Other side. No.
Yeah, there she is. We got her. We eventually found her.
Okay, guys. Who's coming? Okay, guys. We're doing the next.
Okay, it's round 2, guys. So basically, I'm gonna look for my cousins again. They're somewhere hiding here, I'm sure. Oh my days! I found them straight away. Time, help me find the others. Help me find the others. Wait, calm down. My brother are gonna try to look for my sister and my little cousin.
Yeah, we're gonna get them like right now.
Where are they?
They went here, basically, guys.
So are they in this room? Are they in this room? Are they hiding? Are they under the sofa, guys? Nope.
Comments down below.
Time, where do you think they are?
Who the hell is that?
I bet they're in this room. I bet you they're in this room.
No.
They're nowhere to be seen, guys. I can't even find them.
In here, guys, we can't see them.
Ham, where do you think they are?
I don't know what the hell. I don't know.
I think they're in this room. You think they're in this room?
No. Definitely not.
Yeah, I think they're here somewhere. Yes, I found them! I found them! They're right here. They're right here. Look at them trying to hide. Look at them trying to hide.
Yeah, we want to. The little mice. Okay, you're still gonna count because we're the experts. No, we're the experts. Okay, yeah, you guys still gonna count.
I wonder where they're hiding right now. Ham, where do you think they're hiding?
It's just a little new.
I bet they're in this room somewhere. I bet they're in this room somewhere. Hello guys. Where are they hiding though? They're under these covers. No. Okay, they must be hiding in this room somewhere. Somewhere in this room. Time, where do you think they are? Okay, let me just check under these.
And I'm gonna check.
Are they here? Are they here?
And I'm gonna be scared.
Now we're going downstairs. Nadia, did you enjoy that though?
Yeah, but I don't wanna.
She's getting tired. I could see she's getting tired. Oh my god, look what Rizwana's doing though. She's inside. She's
so
proper
fun.
inside it. Is Nadia in there as well? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Alright.
Oh my days, Nadia's in there as well. Get out, guys.
I can't.
Right, these guys are having a pillow fight. Oh my days. There's a pillow fight going on, guys.
Shut up, baby. Ow!
Wow, they're trying to attack me now. They're trying to attack me now. Oh my god. Okay, guys, put those back. Rah, these kids are savages, you know. Savages. Rah. Guys, we're just having some chips and stuff. Yummy, 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 yummy. Guys, we're heading home right now.
Yep.
We had a nice day.
Yep.